Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're kicking off Christmas baking. Not doing all of it, but this is just a little before we actually do Christmas baking. So today I am going to make apple crumble. Simple 3-step recipe. So you guys are gonna wanna stick around and watch this. So guys, I've got all my ingredients here. We are first gonna start with our 2 cans of canned apples. They're very juicy and sticky, so keep that in mind. So there's 1 empty. Now we're gonna put the second one in. So for this recipe, it calls for, like I said, 2 cans of apple pie, apple pie filling. And you're gonna put that in a 13 by 9 baking dish. Because I'm using glass, I am not going to grease it or anything, but you could if you really wanted to. So we're gonna smooth this out in the pan. Just like that. Make sure all your corners are filled. It smells good already, and I haven't done anything. Then we're going to take our cake mix. If I could have scissors that would work, that would be great. We're going to take this and we're going to sprinkle it over the top so that everything gets covered. You want to make it as even as possible so that it'll bake better. So now we're down to the last little bit. I'm just going to dump that in. And I am going to get a clean spoon because I don't want the one that already has all the apples on it. We are just going to spread that nicely over the top. Just like that. And now I am going to heat up my butter so we can get that melted.
So guys,
so there it is, all spread out like that. I'm just waiting for my butter to melt, and then we're gonna pour that over the top. And yeah, and you know how I normally am. I actually did preset the oven to 350 this time, so I don't have to wait. Butter is done. And be careful, the bowl is a little hot. And we are going to take our bowl of butter and lightly drizzle it over the top. Just like that. And this is just gonna allow it to cook a little bit better. So because some of it didn't get, I'm just gonna move it around a little bit so that some places get it that didn't. Just like that. And our oven's actually at 350, which it's supposed to be. So now I'm gonna set it in the oven and we're gonna set a timer for 40 minutes. Sorry, the oven's actually still quite warm from dinner. So there it is in the oven, and now I'm going to set the timer. Ziggy, set a timer for 40 minutes.
40 minutes, starting now.
So our timer is on, and now we wait for 40 minutes, which will be, not 40 minutes for you, it'll be like a second. So I'll see you in a bit. Well guys, my timer has gone off, so we're gonna open up the oven door and see what it looks like. Smells good. You know what? I think I may put it back in for a couple more minutes because that doesn't quite look done.
nope, it doesn't.
Well guys, I had to put it back in the oven. It wasn't ready. So apparently 20 minutes is not long enough. So we'll see what another 10 minutes does. I'll check back with you in a bit. Well guys, I'm pretty sure it's done. after I put it in for another 20 minutes. So gonna let some of the heat out before I scorch my face. Yes, that looks much better. So much better. So I already checked, but I will show this on camera. It came out fairly clean, which means it is done. So we are just gonna let this chill out for a little bit, and then we'll give it a try. So guys, we've let it cool down for a little bit. It's looking really good. I'm just going to cut into it here. I don't know if this is the right thing to use for it, but we are going to try. Probably not, but looks yummy. And I'll get that little bit in here too. So I think that looks pretty good, don't you? And then we just need to add the Cool Whip, which is going to be our ice cream. And I just took it out of the freezer, so I'm hoping we'll be okay. Oh yeah, sort of. One little bit and two little bit. So we're gonna let that sit for a minute and then we'll let you know how it turned out. Well, we have Mike taking his first couple of bites.
Whoa, hi.
Hi. And?
Really good. Actually tastes like apple color. And the whipping cream actually tastes like ice cream. Like if you, yeah, it's a weird combination, I know.
But you like it?
Oh yeah.
Husband approved?
Very husband approved actually.
Oh, yay.
Very delicious Christmas dessert.
Yeah. Anytime dessert, but
It's still Christmassy. I give it a 9. Give it a 10 out of 10 actually.
well, as you can tell, I'm coughing. And that is mostly from me trying a couple bites. So there's mine. And I liked it. It's not bad, but definitely very sweet. And I don't know, it is yummy. So I would make it again. So from here, I'm going to wish you all a Merry Christmas. But I will see you before then. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye, everyone.